What's up everyone? This is my 2003 BMW 325i and today we're going to be replacing the ignition switch. Let me show you guys what's happening here. Let me turn the car on. Alright. Don't worry about this, just ignore this. This has been on for a very long time. That's another problem I gotta fix. But you see everything else is fine. I'm low on gas. And the car turned on. You're thinking ignition switch, car turns on, what's going on? Well, here's one of the first symptoms I noticed. My clock isn't showing. Radio works. My clock's gone. It's not working. Okay. Another one noticed. Cruise control doesn't even work. Let's turn on the radio real fast. I'll show you the next thing here. I can't. Nothing works. Can't change the channel, can't change the station. Horn's not working. Nothing's making sense. No, wait a minute. This is what's really not making sense. Check this out. Open the sun visor. All right, everything's good. Watch this. What? This cruise control, the cruise control is on, and the tail lights just went off, and basically saying that they went out, but they really didn't. Watch this. Close the sun visor again. Oh, look at that, it's gone. Sun visor opens. Lights come on. Sun visor closes. Lights turn off. Yeah, strange stuff. But I've did some research and they're saying that the ignition switch is what causes it, causes all these electrical gremlins. And we're about to find out if that's true. This is the ignition switch that I will be replacing, located right there on that steering column, right inside that plastic piece. Looks like the top here needs, right up here up top, needs a little Phillips screwdriver. Let's go ahead and grab that. Phillips screwdriver. Stick it right here in the top. Alright, got this little plastic screw that was located on the top of the steering wheel column. Next there's these two bolts I need to remove in order to take this entire bottom plastic piece off. One more way over here. One right there. I missed that one completely. Let's get this one out. So I gotta take these tabs out now. One here and one way down there. Just simply push them in. Another tab on the side right here. This one is a little tricky. Just kind of gotta, I guess, fingers or get a pair of pliers and pull this out. Just like that, a little center piece. And we get the rest of it out. Just keep pulling it out. And now, hopefully most of it comes out. There we go. There's another plastic tab down here. Push that in. Okay. Let's see if this wants to come out now. Might just want to use a little flathead to kind of pry this open. Just be gentle with it. There we go. All right. There it is. There is my ignition switch. Kind of places underneath like this. Just like that. Alright, so one thing you'll notice is that there is a screw right here. It's kind of like a different colored brown screw. They must have painted the top of it. Maybe Loctite, and there's one right here. One here, and one there. Let's get that off. Now this tab comes out, and just do it gently. Pull, 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 pull. And then just kind of pull this out. All right. There you go. You see, as I'm pulling, let me zoom in a little bit. As I'm pulling, it's separating. BMW's switch clamps are usually like that. As you pull, look, see, it just pulled it out. And there it goes. Alright guys, so you got your, now I got the old one, which is this one right here, the new one. BMW original. Everything looks identical. Alright, let's put on the new one. Toss this guy out. Giving me so much freaking trouble. This tab out. Push this in. And make sure you, as you push this in, you close this tab, and the tab will automatically shut it all the way. All right, that's that. Let's put this baby back on. One of the things I forgot to point out is that you can see the white piece inside here isn't aligned the same way. So I have to align the new one the same way like this one is angled, so I can fit that in. There you go, a little flathead, all done. Now these were the brackets that these were the clips that we took off, the tabs. What we did earlier is that we pushed here in the middle and it released the pressure of this tab. In order for you to reinstall it, you need to remove this piece here. Don't worry, it's not broken. You stick this part in, and then you insert right the same hole that we poked through earlier. You insert all the way through, and then this kind of like flower tab here would open up and just clamp right into the spot where it needs to go. Okay. All right, so the moment of truth has arrived. Let's give that a start. Oh, look at that. First thing I noticed, the clock is on. Sweet. Turn it on. You know, one thing I forgot to mention as well, the brake light nor the seatbelt light was on the first time. I don't have my seatbelts on. I didn't have it on the first time either. Just trust me on that one. I'm going to put my seatbelt on now and see if it works. Yep. And the brakes, I had it on the entire time. Here's with it down, here's with it up. I didn't move it, didn't have to. I was just working on my car. All right, cruise control. That's working. Let's turn on the radio. Let's see if the station is working here. I can change them. Yep, can change it from the steering wheel. Nice, nice. Volume. Oh yeah. Horn. Yep. Well, let's have a look at see if this does anything again. Look at that. The light turned on. That wasn't working at all. Nope, nothing weird. Taillights are working fine. Cruise control didn't turn on with this, so that was working fine. You know, one thing I forgot to mention too is the inside lights were really freaking out. They were going on and off on its own while I was driving. That was another cause of the ignition switch. Yeah, everything seems to be working. Incredible. All because of an ignition switch. BMW. That's the kind of stuff you get.